Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use split screen multitasking and pop-up view features on Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. Let's get started. To use the split screen feature, launch the app you want to open in split screen. For example, let me open YouTube. Now, using two fingers, swipe up from the bottom of the screen like this. The app will move to the top and you will get this option to select the second app. You can choose the second app from this app library. Let me choose Settings. As you can see, two apps are available side by side and you can work with them simultaneously. Moving this handle up or down will increase or decrease the size of the split view of the apps. To interchange the app's position, tap these three dots and select the arrow button. To change the app in the split view, tap this handle on the top of the app you want to change. Tap this app library icon. Choose the app you want. Similarly, you can change other app. To save this app pair, tap these three dots and then this star icon. You can save it to home screen or edge panel. To exit the split screen view, move this handle to the bottom or top based on which app you want to retain and which app you want to close. To open an app in pop-up view, open the app you want. Now swipe down from the top right corner like this. You can adjust the size of the pop-up view of the app by dragging the corners or sides. Tapping these three dots gives more options. You can get into split view from here by tapping this icon or change the opacity of the app by tapping this icon. You can close this pop-up view by tapping this X. That's it for this video on how to use pop-up and split screen views on Samsung Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this video informative.